Dreamers, it's me, TahrifaTheDreamer, and in today's video, I'm sharing with you some of my comfort food recipes. So these are quick and easy things to make. Even kids can make them on their own. These are the things that I make when I feel too lazy to cook an actual meal, or I just want something nice and small to eat using ingredients you already have in your house. So, hope you enjoy!
Let's live our best life here today. We're making all our dreams come true. Why don't you come along with me? Cause I love spending time with you, with you, with you. Spending time with you. Recipe number 1.
Okay, so in this one, I'm gonna make something that I call bread pizza, and so that's 3 of the bread slices are gonna be for the bread pizza and 2 are gonna be for my cinnamon toast. So it's kind of like pizza and breadsticks, but we just use regular bread. And it's really easy to make. So first I'll do the cinnamon toast. So you just put butter. And you butter the bread. It's best when you do it with whole wheat bread, but that's what we have. So you just put butter. Butter is like really hard because it's gold. Actually, you could just like put it all over like that. So put your pieces of butter, and then so that's that one. This one right here. So that will just be like together the butterness, and then you have your cinnamon. Yeah, put your cinnamon. Sprinkle a little bit over the butter. And then you put your sugar. Just sprinkle a little bit of sugar over it. So that is for these 2. So now we're gonna work on the bread pizzas. So ketchup or tomato sauce. I'm going to make it a little, so I'm just going to use ketchup. A little bit of ketchup on each slice of bread. And I put a little bit of mustard. And then you just rub it in all over the slice of bread to make sure it covers the whole thing. Then I put the seasoning. I don't have pizza seasoning. That's the best thing to put, so I'm just gonna put basil, parsley, and black pepper. And then I put my toppings. So for toppings, I'm putting sweet pepper, right? And then I have pieces of onions. So I have red onions, and I have regular onions. So just put the rings just like that. Oops. And then I have sausage. And then we have pieces of ham. I mean, we don't have a lot of surface area, so whoa. Just put your pieces of ham around. Just top it off with some cheese. I just have these bits of cheese, and you just cover it with your cheese. Here's your final topping, just like a regular pizza. I didn't even make nothing yet for anything to be smelling anyhow. And that's it. And you just put it in the oven for about 15 minutes on 250, and it should be finished. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. I just make this into a sandwich. And then I put a little bit of extra ketchup on the top.
Recipe number 2.
Okay, so this one, I'm showing you how I make my oats, my oatmeal, my cinnamon tea situation. So, usually, I put it in a cup. So I have my oats, and I just put how much ever I feel for in my cup. And then I just set that aside. And then we have milk. I use almond milk. Almond free almond milk. Just turn it down a little bit because that's a lot. And I just let it heat up. Just pour some milk in there, and when it starts to like froth up, I know that's the right word, but when it starts to rise or whatever, that's when I would put in some cinnamon and some sugar. Okay, so now that it's boiling, that's when we put in the cinnamon and the sugar. Just put as much cinnamon as you want, but not a whole lot. So you put this cinnamon in, you just mix it in, and then you put your sugar. I put like 2 tablespoons, sorry. you just put the boiling milk with the cinnamon and the sugar in the cup with the oat. There you go. Cover it with the cover and let it cook for a little while. And that's it. It's really simple. You don't have to use oats if you just drink the cinnamon milk just like that. That tastes really good too if you don't want oats. But if you want it to be a little more filling, put the oat and make your little cinnamon vanilla oatmeal. That's all. Recipe number 3. I am craving cremita, so I'm gonna make some, and we're gonna use cornmeal, fine grain cornmeal, sugar, almond milk, and salt. Forgot to say, if you want to and you have some, you could add some vanilla and some cinnamon. The first thing that you do is you get your cornmeal and you put 2 tablespoons of the cornmeal in there, and then you put some water until it gets like pasty because we don't want it to get lumpy. And then you put it in the pot, heat on low fire, on low heat, and you just stir it. Keep stirring it, otherwise it's gonna get lumpy, so keep stirring it until it gets all fluffy like that. And then you put your milk. I use almond milk because I'm allergic to dairy, or at least I'm like sensitive to it. I get migraines. So you just put your milk and you keep stirring it. So keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. And then you can start it with your sugar. And like my milk already has vanilla in it, but like I love vanilla, so I'm putting more vanilla. So you put sugar. Maybe not that much, but I like it sweet. And a little bit of salt. Okay. Okay, mix it up. You should taste it to see if it's like, if you like it savory, add a little more salt. If you like it sweet, a little more sugar. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of vanilla. That's not tiny, but oh my god. And some cinnamon. Just mix it up. It's supposed to be like however you want it. It's more like that. If you like to drink your porridge, then you should add more milk. But I like it like this. This is what it looks like when it's finished. I am going to cut a banana up and eat it with a banana. Okay, so got my banana and we're gonna eat it now. Okay, so that is all. I hope you like them. If you want to try the recipes, comment below and tell me how it went for you. I make videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays, so click the bell next to the subscribe button for post notifications for more videos. That's all. Okay, bye.